here is Canto App, productivity app. So you can just take a look. Here you have it. With the Canto App's mobile app, you can easily upload files, share content, and download assets all from your mobile phone. Simply download the app and log in with your Canto credentials to manage and share your brand assets on the go. So there you have it. So there you have it. Pretty cool. Filtering, browse and search your entire Canto library, manage and share assets on the go, search your whole library, full details for every asset, upload and share from anywhere, view your custom branded portals, so save assets for offline use. So seems you can just upload some files, but then there is a lot of info and then you can just search and filter through them. That's kind of the idea. So yeah, I don't know how legit is this app, but what do you think?